Hi, I'm Ted Lewis. I'm a special projects assembler, and I've been with Dynamic Conveyor for a little over a year. What first attracted me to join Dynamic Conveyor, my uncle worked here for many years and always had great things to say about the company. And when he'd explain what they worked on and what they did, it just seemed like a natural fit. A project that I'm especially proud of, there's been several, but mainly the food safe conveyor lines. I feel we work with some really big names and we get to innovate in a way that I was not expecting originally, and it's pretty cool to see. When I think about Dynamic Conveyor 35 years in, what stands out to me is the pace of growth over the last couple years and the number of repeat orders from pretty big names in the food service industry, robotics, and even plastics. And because of that, it feels like a place that's going to continue to grow, and we'll see what we come up with.